What's the meaning of breakdancing? Breakdancing. Breakdancing.
Breakdancing. Breakdancing. Breakdancing is a form of street dance that originated in the Bronx, New York City during the 1970s. It involves acrobatic and athletic movements performed to hip-hop, funk, and breakbeat music. The dance style involves four main elements: top rock, down rock, power moves, and freezes. Top rock refers to the footwork performed while standing up, down rock refers to ground-based footwork, power moves are acrobatic movements involving spins and flips, and freezes are dramatic poses held at the end of a movement. The result of breakdancing is a visually stunning performance that showcases the dancer's strength, athleticism, and creativity. It has become a popular and respected art form around the world.